Hello, everyone, and thanks for tuning in. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to change your email address in the Reddit app using your Android phone. Whether you want to update your contact information or secure your account, this simple process will help you do it. First, open the Reddit app on your Android phone. Next, tap on Profile icon at top right corner. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, locate and tap on Account Settings. Now, click on Update Email Address. Here, enter your new email address carefully. Following this, type your current Reddit password to confirm the change. Finally, tap on Save to apply the new email to your account. Reddit will then send a verification message to your new email address. Make sure to check your inbox and confirm to complete the process. That's it. You've successfully changed your email address on the Reddit app. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.